How to activate RBC Bank credit card online. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser and search for RBC Bank and select the first option, that is Personal Banking-RBC Royal Bank. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of RBC Bank. Tap on the Sign In option first and foremost. To log into your account, go ahead and enter your client card or your username in this dialog box given to you. Tap on Save Client Card or Username if you do not want to face this hassle of entering your details again. Select the next option if you want to log into your account. If you don't remember your credential, go ahead and select on Recover your username. Now in here, you can just go ahead and tap on the continue bubble given to you. To recover your credentials, select if you have access to your client card or your credit card. Then if you have selected your credit card, you have to enter your card number and your email address and hit the continue button. You will receive a recovery link on your email address and you have to tap on the link and follow the step given to you. Once you are successfully logged into your account, you can head to the credit card section where you'll be easily able to add your card number, your CVV, and your PIN as well. And that is how you can easily activate your RBC Bank credit card. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.